बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्वालिफाई एजुकेशन एकेडमी। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं कैप्सूल एजुकेशन का थर्ड चैप्टर, जो कि तैयारी के हवाले से बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसमें से बहुत सारा पोर्शन जो है वो पेपर में कवर किया जाता है। तो शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का ये चैप्टर, और इसको किसी भी सूरत आप मिस मत कीजिएगा अगर आप पेपर में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लेना चाहते हैं। लेकिन आज की वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक आसानी से पहुंच जाए। Punjab University was established in 1882. At the time of independence of Pakistan, only 3 schools were working with children with special needs. In the opinion of the British, who were responsible for Freedom War 1857, the Muslims, which of the following dangers were realized by the Muslims of India? Westernism, secularism, fall of moralities. It was proposed in Indian Education Commission that the modern Indian languages would be used as a medium of instruction at primary and secondary level. Which of the following aims of nursery education was suggested in Sargent Report? Social training. Sargent Report 1944 में पेश की गई थी। Madras University was established in 1857. Calcutta University was established in 1857. Bombay University was established in 1857. Government College Lahore was established in 1864. Which of the following levels of education was included in the basic education as per recommendations of Sargent Report? Primary and middle levels of education. Which of the following was proposed in Indian Education Commission 1882? Primary education is the responsibility of the government. There should be the variation in the subject for various educational levels. The student of private school should be given scholarships. It was proposed in Indian Education Commission that the modern Indian language would be used as the medium of instruction at primary and secondary level. Who introduced Braille education system for blind people? Louis Braille, who was Frenchman. Louis Braille lost his eyesight due to a childhood accident. Braille education system was introduced for blind people in 1824. The first school with a focus on proper education was the Yorkshire School for the Blind in England in 1835. PSL can be naturally acquired by deaf Pakistani children as a first language. ASL can be naturally acquired by deaf American children as a first language. It was estimated that 2.49% of the population is disabled. National Policy for Persons with Disabilities 2002. The first school was established in 1906 to cater to the educational needs of children with visual impairment. In 1920, the second school was opened for deaf children in Karachi. Which of the following was the aim of British education in India? Generation of dependent people, provision of faithful employees, promotion of Christianity. An inter-university board was set up in 1925. A separate department education under the administration of central government was established in 1945. All India Council for Technical Education was established in 1945. The medium of instruction in Calcutta Vidyalaya was English. Which of the following educational concept was presented in the strict educational policy of Lord Curzon? Limited education, higher education, pure education. Indian Universities Commission presented its report in 1902. Medical College Calcutta was set up in 1936. Rangoon University was established in 1917. Lucknow University was established in 1920. Engineering College Calcutta was established in 1856. The system of education which Pakistan inherited at the time of its establishment did not have the capability to cater the ideological needs, did not correspond to the Islamic education. Which of the following universities was established in 1922? Nagpur University and Delhi University in 1923. Elementary education was declared compulsory for the children having age ranging from 6 years to 10 years. Sargent Report was presented in 1944. Which of the following was proposed in the Sargent Report? Basic education means the education of 6 years age children. University education will consist of 3 years age intermediate. Adult education system will be reformed. How many types of high school were mentioned in the Sargent Report? 2. In Sargent Report, the industrial needs were divided into 3 classes. It was proposed in Sargent Report that science education would be imparted in practical schools. Till 1857, the number of Muslim graduates out of 846 graduates of Madras, Mumbai and Calcutta University were 17. According to the Western economic thought, man is basically self-interested. limited. Men seek for material gains. Hoarding and interest have no negative influence. Which of the following was the role of a teacher in the Muslim education in the subcontinent? Central role in the educational system. Role model in the education system. Trainer of the students. In the British examination system, there is no role of a teacher. Teacher has no concern with character formation of students. Teacher is not aware of which student he is evaluating. According to Sir Thomas Munro report 1822, the educational facilities were available to the 33% of the people of Madras. The British Parliament ordered the East India Company to take steps for the promotion of Christianity on ships and in the factories in 1698. Who is considered the founder of present system of education in the subcontinent? Charles Grant. Which of the following social classes was targeted by the British rulers for the propagation of Christianity? Low caste Hindus. The Punjab University was set up in 1882. The Bantock Resolution, जिसको लॉर्ड मैकुले रिपोर्ट भी कहा जाता है, was passed on March 7, 1835. Which of the following वीकली जनरल वॉज पब्लिश्ड बाय द साइंटिफिक सोसाइटी अलीगढ़ इंस्टीट्यूट गजट, जो कि 1866 में पेश किया गया था. इन हिज रिपोर्ट मिस्टर आर्नल्ड राइट्स दैट देयर इज़ अ लार्ज स्केल एजुकेशन इन पंजाब. ऑल कम्युनिटीज़ गेट एजुकेशन इन पंजाब. मोस्ट ऑफ द टीचर आर वॉलंटियर्स इन पंजाब. द ब्रिटिश केम टू इंडिया फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ ट्रेड. इन 1905 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशन वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड फॉर कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव प्लानिंग ऑफ नेशनल एजुकेशन? नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर एजुकेशन. Who established Darul Uloom Deoband? Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi. The East India Company took its significant political role in lieu of trade in India. In 1765, the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam handed over the administration of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to the British. The British education system failed in producing trained individuals bearing high moral character, practical individuals. Which of the following movement played a significant role for the independence of Pakistan? Political movement, religious movement, educational movements. Which of the following types of awareness was produced in the Muslims by the teaching of Shah Waliullah? Moral awareness, religious awareness, political awareness. Which of the following the British invasion of subcontinent? The education system of the Muslim was turned down. Lands reserved for education institution was forfeited. Teaching of Arabic and Persian was banned. The British historian admitted the fact that education was free during the Muslim rule in the subcontinent. The standard of education was high during the Muslim rule in the subcontinent. The educational opportunities was in abundance during the Muslim rule in the subcontinent. The 25th June 1822, Sir Thomas Munro report admitted that there was a school in the province of Madras for a village consisting of 500 individuals. As a result of Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement, people boycotted the government schools. A trend for establishing independent national institutions developed. The struggle for independence became faster. Which of the following was proposed in the Sargent report? Teacher training institutions will be established. Education for handicapped persons will be arranged. Social and entertaining activities will be arranged. Which of the following matters was included in curriculum of British education in India? English was compulsory from class 3 to BA. English teachers were highly regarded. Most of the time was fixed for instruction of English. In the curriculum of British education in India, history of the subcontinent was distorted. Good Muslim values were wrongly interpreted. Historical events used to be interpreted with reference to British ideology. Which of the following was the foundation of the subject of economics in the British education system? Man is an economic animal. Money is the chief value. In the missionary educational institution, the cross sign used to be placed on prominent pedestal. The teacher were priests. Christian education was mandatory. Which of the following was proposed in the Sargent report? Only the competent students would be admitted in the university. When the British government began to look after the affairs of the subcontinent by itself in 1858, which of the following sections was included in the Charter Act? The Western science should be promoted. The Oriental science should be given weightage. The high religious institutions should be given financial assistance. The religious class of England criticized that educational strategy of the East India Company was against Christianity. What was Deoband? Was not so extended till 9 years following its establishment. Turned into good academic center in 1876. adopted the policy is no concern with government. Which of the following was the aim of Deoband? Propagation of Islam, promotion of Islam sciences, revival of Islam. During the British rule in India, the missionary educational institution were preaching Christianity, misinterpreting Islam, westernizing the Muslims. Charter Act was passed in 1816. ये पेश किया गया था 1813 में और इसको पास किया गया था 1816 में. Which of the following was decided in the Charter Act 1813? Education will be responsibility of company. Promotion of Christianity will be the objective of education. English will be the medium of instruction for teaching Western sciences. In Charter Act, which of the following was declared the aim of education? Promotion of Christianity, provision of servants for the government, promotion of English language, promotion of Christianity, provision of servants to the government. Yes, promotion of English language and literature. In his memorandum presented to the Council of Governor General, Macaulay stressed upon that the present education system of India should be abolished. The European subject should be taught in India. English should be medium of instruction. In Deoband, there were special arrangement for instruction of revealed sciences, rational sciences, theology, and logic. The graduates of Deoband played a significant role in the promotion of Islamic sciences, in the abolition of Bid'at, in the stoppage of secularism. Which of the following was proposed in the light of Lord Macaulay recommendations? Bantock resolution. Which of the following resolution is not concerned with the Bantock resolution? Financial aid will be given to Madras. Bantock resolution was passed on March 7, 1835. Who are the succeeded in Plassey War in 1757? The rule of East India Company began to expand. The East India Company prepared a strategy to change the minds of the Indians. The East India Company seemed to invade the whole of India. Charles Grant launched the Christianity campaign in India, declared the educational conditions as a pack of ignorance, asked the British government to take up the educational responsibilities of India. Which of the followed medium of instruction was suggested in Charter Act? English. Which of the following medium of instruction was suggested in Charter Act? English. The educational activities of the Christian missionaries made the local people worried, forced the Muslims to protest, pleased the Hindus. Which of the following persons played a significant role in the independence movement? Maulana Shabbir Ahmad Usmani, Maulana Mahmudul Hasan, Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi. Which of the following institutions was established under the influence of Deoband? Mazahul Ulum, Sharanpur, Madrasa Faiz Am Kanpur, Madrasa Ashrafiya Muradabad. The graduated of Deoband rendered writing services in the field of tafsir, Quranic interpretation, hadith, Arabic language. The Deoband curriculum was unnecessarily oversized, not compatible with the changing conditions, was devoid of modern sciences. The Calcutta Vidyalaya established in 1816, and it was the first government college of India. During the British rule in India, the Hindus adopted the British government policy, supported the British rulers, received government services. As far as British education in India was concerned, one of the Muslims group were of the opinion that the Muslims should get Western education, get benefit themselves of British education, compromise with the present situation. Which of the following was proposed in Bantock resolution? English will be the official language of the country. Deoband movement was a continuation of the ideologies of Shah Waliullah. In Deoband, special attention was paid to the medical education, calligraphy education, bookbinding skill. The second period of the British education system ranges from 1813 to 1854. One of the Muslim group in India were of the opinion that the educational heritage of the Muslims should be given importance. The British education is a poison. Islamic heritage can guarantee progress. In 1852 and 53, the number of students in the missionary school was 3 lakh. Lord Macaulay came to India as Secretary Public Instruction Committee. आज तक के लिए इतने ही क्वेश्चंस। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट करेंगे। तब तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।